The probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.85. What is the probability that it will not rain? So something happening and something not happening. If you add them, it is going to be 1. So the probability of an event, that is probability that it will rain, is 0.85, and the probability that it will not rain will be PE bar. We just put a bar here. This is probability of an event and this is probability of not an event, means that event is not happening, non-occurrence of that event. So when we add, that is the sum of the probability of occurrence of an event and probability of non-occurrence. If you add these two, it is going to be 1. This is what? 0.85. This is not known. This is 1. Bring it here. 1 minus 0.85 is 0.15. So the probability that it is not going to rain is 0.15. A die is thrown. Find the probability of getting these. So a die, that is, you have a cube. So it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like dots are there. So a prime number, probability of getting a prime number. So the die can produce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outputs. So the number of outputs or number of cases or number of events, number of possibilities are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A prime number, how many prime number are there? 2, 3 and 5. So there are 3 prime numbers. So 3 by 6 is the probability of finding a prime number. 2 or 4. So 2, probability of getting a 2 is 1 and total is 6. Probability of getting 4 is 1 because 1 among 6 and total is 6. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 2 by 6. So this is going to be 1 by 2. This is going to be 1 by 3. A multiple of 2 or 3. So multiple of 2 is 2. Multiple of 3 is 3. Multiple of 2 is 4. And multiple of 3 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 possibilities are there. So 4 is the favorable cases of getting 2 and 3. Multiple of getting 2 and 3. And this total is 6. So you get 2 by 3. An even prime number. So there is only one, that is 2. 2 is an even prime number. So the possibility or the favorable cases are only 1 and the total are 6. So 1 by 6. A number greater than 5. So number greater than 5 is only 6. So again the probability of getting a number higher than 5 is 1 and the total is 6. So 1 by 6. Number lying between 2 and 6. So number lying between, so 2 and 6 are not included. So 3, 4, 5, these lie between 2 and 6. So these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers. And total, the 3 are the favorable cases and total number of cases are 6. So 3 by 6, again it is 1 by 2. This is the way you are going to solve it using, whenever you are doing it for assignment or examination. This is how you have to do. The concept I told you just now. 3 coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads, at most 2 heads, at least 1 head and 1 tail, and no tails. Here I'll make the formations first. 3 are there. So HT, 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 head, tail. Okay. A coin can give you head or tail. So I have to make 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. This is because one can be, I'll just show you. So this is head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail. And then this one is head, 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 head 4 times now, and tail, 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 tail. So these are the all possible cases here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our sample space, or 8 is our total number of possibilities. This comes from here also. 3 coins are there. So a coin can be head or tail, so 2 possibilities are there. So you can just take 2 to the power 3. 3 coins and 2 possibilities. This will also give you 8. Now, exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads. This one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 possibilities are there. So exactly 2 heads, you have how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the favorable cases And how many cases are the possibility? Means total cases, total number of events are 8. So 3 by 8. At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads. So at most 2 heads, let me show you. At most 2 heads can be this one. That is only this you don't take. At most 2 heads, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. Why? Because we are taking this 2 heads. Oh, at least I'm just changing it. Okay, it's at least 2 heads, so I'm just changing it. Now let us again revisit it with this question. At least 2 heads. So this one is 2 heads, this is 2 heads, this is 2 heads, but at least, that means this will also count. HHH, it has at least 2 heads. So 4 are the possibilities favorable and 6 are the total cases. So you get 4 by 6 here, 4 by 8 here. I'm so sorry. Be 8. This 8 comes here. 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Now at least 1 head and 1 tail. So at least 1 head and 1 tail. So at least 1 head and 1 tail. So this will count because this has 1 head and 1 tail. This also has 1 head, 1 tail. This doesn't have. Oh, this is HH, TT, and this is HHHH, TT, TT. Okay. So at least 1 head and 1 tail. 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 1 head and 1 tail. 1 head and 1 tail. And this has no at least 1 head and 1 tail. So how many possibilities did we get? At least 1 head and 1 tail. So 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail. So here also we got 6 of these. Only this one and this one we are not including. So 6 is the total favorable cases and 8 is the total number of cases. That is, this is the number of favorable events and these are the total number of events. So 6 by 8 will be the answer. So 3 by 4 for this one. No tails. No tails. That is, everything except this will have at least 1 tail. So no tails means we are only talking about head, head, head. So what do you get? 1 is the total number of favorable events and 8 is the total number of events. So 1 by 8 you get. This is the answer. A and B throw a pair of die. If A throws 9, find B's chance of throwing a higher number. So A and B throw a pair of dice. A throws 9. Here first we have to make the total formation. That is, if A throws 1, B can throw 1. If A throws 1, B can throw 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 is the combination. Again, if A throws 2, B can throw 1. If A is throwing 2, B can throw 2. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, like this. Now if A throws 6, again 6 combination can be there. B can throw 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So in all total, these are the total sample space. Possible events are, one die will give 6 possibilities, other will give 6 possibilities. So 6 into 6, that is 36 is the total possibilities. Now if A throws 9, find B chances of throwing a number higher. So if A is throwing a 9, what is the probability that the other, that is B, is throwing a higher number? So we have to see that it has to be, the number has to be higher than 9. Okay, so higher than 9 means we are talking about this one, these two and these three. See, 6, 3 is 9, 5, 4, 9, 9, 9. These are 10, 10, 10, 11, 11 and 12. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are the favorable cases, 36 are the total number of cases. So 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6 is the answer. 2 unbiased die are thrown. Find the probability that the total number of die on the numbers on the die is greater than 10. So again, let me show you that these are, as I just explained you. So these A and B, that is 2 die, 1 or 2 you can say, will give all these combinations. That is 36 combination will be there. But in this row, in this I'm just making a row diagonally. So 6, 6 is 12, 6, 5 and 5, 6 is what? It is 11. And this is 6, 4, 5, 5 and 4, 6. That is, this is 10. So we want the number higher than 10. So only this will come. How many are these? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 are the favorable cases and all these are 36 are the total number of events. So 36 are total number of events and number of available events are 3. This is going to give you 1 by 12. A card is drawn at a random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is. So before we go ahead, let me tell you about the cards. What are cards? How do we do it? So we have 52 cards in all. In these 52 cards, 26 are black and 26 are red. In this 26, this black, we have 2 suits. S-U-I-T-S, suites. Okay. 13 cards it has. This has 13 cards, this has 13 cards. This suite is called spade, club, ace, hearts. So spade, club, ace, hearts, like this you say. You name them. All these different, that is this one, this one, this one. So 4 suites are there. All of them have number from 1 to 10. And there are 3 face cards. 3 face cards are Jack, Queen and King. Face cards means in which the cards, the face of people will be shown, like Jack, Queen, King, just like emperors, etc. Like, so all this is 10 and plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 10, and this all will have these one. So when we have say Queen, so if it is of say heart, so we say Queen of Hearts. 1 queen will be here. So all this will have 1 to 10 J, Q, K. All this will have 1 to 10 J, Q, K. This will also have 1 to 10 card and J, Q, K. So if you say King, so King of Spade, King of Heart, King of Clubs, like this you say, right? So now let us go to the questions. Now you need a black king. First of all, you need to understand that there are 52 cards. So always the denominator, we will, in this question especially, we have denominator as 52. These are the total number of possible events. So all the possible events, because there are 52 cards, so 52 possibilities are there. So 52 is the denominator. Now we'll put all these things in the numerator. That is a black king. So how many blacks are there? 26. How many kings are there? 1, 2. 1 from here, 1 from here. So KK, 2 kings. This will be 2 by 52. I hope you got the idea. Only 2 black kings are there, divided by 52. Either a black card or a king. Either a black card or a king. So you have a black card. How many black cards are there? It is 26 black cards are there. Or a king. So possibility of getting a king is 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have already taken 2 kings from here. See, in 26, 2 kings are already there. When you are talking about king, so if you take 4 kings, because in all 4 kings are there, you already taken 2 from here. So you will take only these 2. So 26 plus 2, that is 28. 28 is the favorable cases and 52 is the denominator. That is the total number of cases. Black and a king. Black and a king. Black and a king. So we already a black card or a king. So this was already there. Now black. Here the third one shows that it has to be a black and a king. So how many blacks are there? 26. How many kings in black? 2. So 2 is the favorable case. Only 2 kings are black and 52 is our total number of cases. This is the probability. A jack, queen or king. So we have how many? 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So 3 into 4, that is 12. Jack, king, queen and king. So 12 is the favorable cases and 52 is the total number of cases. Neither a heart nor a king. Neither. So it shouldn't be a heart, shouldn't be a king. For that, what we'll do? Neither a heart, neither a nor a king. So there are 2 possibilities, right? What we can do here is, see, first of all, neither a heart nor a king means how many hearts are there? How many hearts are there? It's first of all, let me tell you that total number of heart is 13. It should not be a king also. So heart and total number of king. That is, we have already taken one heart is 13, one sweet. King are of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have already taken one. So it will be 3. One already been taken. So 3 from other sweets. It will be 26. 16. Now this 16 is heart and king. So neither heart or king means you have to subtract it from 52. So neither this was heart or a king, and if when you want neither, you have to subtract it from the total number. So 52 minus 16 will be neither heart nor a king. So now we have 36 as the favorable case and 52 is the your total number of cases. So it will be 9 by 30. Spade or an ace. Spade or an ace. How many spades are there? It will be 13. Ace, for all the suits you will have 4 aces. Aces is the number 1 actually. 4 aces. But this suite, if you say a spade has 13 cards, you have already taken one of them. You are already included. So only 3 will remain. So 13 plus 3 is the spade or an ace divided by 26. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 by 52. This 16 by 52 is a 4 by 13. This is spade or an ace. How about neither an ace nor a king? Neither an ace nor a king. So the same thing we'll do. First we'll take the aces. How many aces are there? 4 from each suite. Nor a king. How many kings are there? 4. These are 8, ace and king. But if we want to find neither, so we have to subtract it from 52 cards. That will be 44. Now 44 is our favorable case and 52 is the total number of events. 44 by 52, that is 11 by 13 is the answer. The 7 of clubs. We'll see the 7 of clubs. How many 7 of clubs are there? It's only because clubs has 13 cards. And as I said, every suite has 1 to 10 number. So only 1 7 will be there. But means 1 card will be there of clubs. So 1 is the favorable case. 52 is the total number of cases. So 1 by 52 is the answer of this one. We'll revisit again because it is coming again. See, 7 of a clubs. The total number of 7 of a club is 1. So it will be 1 by 52. This way already, I just revisited it again. Next is a 10. So every suite has a 10. Means all 13 cards will have 10. So we have 4 cards which has 10 on it. And 52 is the total number of cases. This is favorable. 4 by 52, 1 by 13 is the answer. A spade. How many spades are there? 13 spades are there. So 13 by 52 is the answer. Black card. How many black cards are there? 26 black cards are there. So 26 by 52. This already we have seen. Jack. How many jacks are there? In all the suites, we have 4 jacks. So 4 by 52 is this one, jack. The ace of spades. What does it mean? The ace of spade. The ace, that is the card number 1. 1, spade has 13 cards. Ace, only one will be there in spade. So 1 will be the favorable case. 52 is the total number of cases, 1 by 52. Now a queen. How many queens are there? In each suite, we have 4 queens. So we have 4 is the favorable case. 52 is the total number of events. So 4 by 52, 1 by 13 is the answer. Now a heart. How many hearts are there? Because heart is proper suite. So we have how many? 26. 26 in a heart. And 52 is the total number of cases. This is favorable cases. A red card. Again, 26 are red. In 52 cards, 26 are red, 26 are black. So 26 by 52. This is half, right?